by and take a look at the 2015 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper. Come take a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.